Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel Technology Journey. Today I will show you the smallest action camera. This is the totally new Insta360 GO 2. The lineup, the second generation of Go production from Insta360 GO. And this is my first impression and of course unboxing. Let's go! Okay, what's in the box? Insta GO 2, charge case, charge cable, magnet pendant, easy clip, pivot stand and quick start guide. And of course, multi-use charge case like storage, remote and tripod. Okay, let's go and look what's the inside. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, okay, once again. And here is it. Insta360 GO 2. The action camera. Wow. Amazing. Wow. It's magnetic. Maybe. Yeah, sure. It's totally magnetic. Look. Whoa! It's like some wonderful and some... Oh! Amazing. Amazing. Okay, what's in the box? There is a small, tiny camera. It's weight about 6 lighter than your old action cam, and yeah, I think it's very, very small. You see, it's like my finger. Okay. And this camera have a flow state stabilization and some hands-free gestures like just click and you record your videos or time-lapse or time shift. And maybe there are some mount, and the first step, second step, okay. There's a clip for your knuckles, okay. And here is some quick start guide, button instruction, when power off, when power on, okay. And on the other side, charge case instruction, okay. This is the record button and mode button. And because, wow, yeah, here is it, other equipment. The charge case, charge cable, pivot stand, and some magnetic pendant for your head. Oh, it's amazing. If you like some hats or if you like riding on your bike, I think definitely this is the most exciting equipment for your tiny mighty camera. Yeah, and that's working. Everything is totally magnetic. Amazing. And here is it, charge case. Okay. And if you're trying, put the camera to the charge case, and that's it. Insta360 GO 2. Okay, there is a USB-C charge cable and tripod mount, and yeah, okay. Looks beautiful, isn't it? Fine. Okay, pivot stand. It's a magnetic, yeah. And I think this is great for glass, for example, in your car. And of course, charge cable. And that's it. This is the unboxing, the Insta360 GO 2.
Shut up and sit down.
like this tiny size. I think it's very useful for everyday life. For example, if you like vlogging or recording some funny videos, moments, for example, your children or parents, or if you like a career to YouTubers. And I think it's a great fit for your pocket and everyday carrying, because there are a charging case and other features, like it's not only about charging but also tripod and remote controller. For example, if you have to put the camera to your dog or cat and record some moments for your everyday life, or just stand on your table, because this is tripod, and yeah, just stand, and it's very variable. Yeah, just find your perfect angle and your weave. And of course, there are accessories like magnet pendant for your neck and the first person shot, amazing for sports or swimming, because Insta360 GO 2 is waterproof up to 4 meters. And everything you have to control from the app and your smartphone. There are quick edits and Wi-Fi connections and many other features like real-time view and of course settings for this tiny camera. Definitely, I think this is amazing camera for everyone. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to test this tiny mighty camera, and if you have some comments or some questions, just write me down below to the descriptions, and of course I really appreciate it for your comments, likes and sharing, and see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.